Chapter 4 Typical Six Sigma Roles. In this chapter, you will learn what are the different roles of various stakeholders in a Six Sigma project. What are the responsibilities of a white belt in a Six Sigma project? A Six Sigma project is always a team effort. Multiple individuals play different roles in any Six Sigma project. Let us now understand those roles. Champion. The champion is typically an upper level manager. His responsibilities include allocation of resources for projects, determine project selection criteria, interact with senior management, remove barriers hindering the success of the project, approve completed projects, implement change. Master Black Belt. Master Black Belts are individuals trained in Six Sigma methodologies, statistical tools, basic financial tools, change management, risk assessment, project management, executive communication, and well experienced in teaching, coaching, and mentoring black belts and green belts. This is always a full-time position. Black Belt. Black belts are individuals trained in Six Sigma methodologies, statistical tools, basic financial tools, change management, risk assessment, project management, and well experienced in managing black belt projects. This is also always a full-time position. Green Belt. Green belts are individuals trained in Six Sigma methodologies, basic statistical tools, and process improvement techniques. This is typically a full-time position. However, some organizations make this part of an existing job responsibility. White Belt. White belts are selected by either the black belt or the green belt and have an understanding of the Six Sigma methodology. They are trained on the 7 basic tools of quality and process improvement techniques. Their primary responsibilities include support and contribute to Six Sigma projects, participate in charter and scope definition, provide inputs during project meeting, brainstorm ideas, help collect data where responsible, follow DMAC process applying appropriate tools, review the approach periodically with the green belt and experienced black belt, provide inputs to green belt and black belt and process owners during project. Summary. In this chapter, you learned the various roles in a Six Sigma project, including champion, master black belt, green belt, and the white belt. We also learned the various responsibilities of a Six Sigma white belt.